Once we've loaded the program into the machine's memory and we've touched our tools off, we can go in and run that program in a graphic mode. There's a couple different ways that we can get to that. And so my preferred way to do it is to just hit edit, make sure that our left screen is highlighted, and we can then hit cycle start from that point. And it's going to go straight into running the program. And it's just a 2D line, really simple graphic illustration of what it is. So it's not going to show the actual material. It's not going to show the actual tool in there. It's really just kind of a wireframe drawing of what you got. And it's just on the half, so just from the center line up. And we can move this around to where we want. Might be kind of hard to see here, but there's a small box. A small box is what we're trying to put around the part that we want. Once we're satisfied with it, we can see it easier. Now, if this is going across the screen real fast and we're still not sure if that's actually the program that we want to use, then we can go ahead and hit single block, optional stop if we want to, reset, cycle start. And now from single block, we can run that program just like we would run it in the machine with our single block on, maybe our rapid down at 5%. And it's going to do each one of the moves individually. It's going to run line by line or block by block. And so that's a way that we can also run our program. When we turn single block off, it's going to leave optional stop on. Optional stop is going to stop anytime it sees an M01. So we move to our threading tool, and it'll stop after the threading tool, moves back to tool 1, and then it starts to turn no D profile. And finally, it hit the optional stop again, and our last operation for this part is our part off tool. So we're going to come in, part it off, and that's the end of our program. You can also, from memory or edit, we can also hit settings graph, and that's also going to take us to the same location. It's going to do all the exact same functions, just two different ways of doing it. We can either be in memory and hit setting graph, and sometimes you have to hit it more than once, or from the edit screen, we can hit cycle start, and it's automatically going to move us into graphics.